You're getting clicks, maybe even a lot of them, but no sales. Why? Why do some ClickBank campaigns never convert? Is it the product, the traffic, or something you're missing? Because this is where most beginners get stuck. And in this video, we're going to fix that. We'll break down the real reasons campaigns don't convert, the most common mistakes beginners make, what actually needs to change, and how to fix it step by step. If you're getting clicks but no results, this is exactly what you need. First, let's clear something up. Not every click becomes a sale. In fact, most people don't buy on the first visit. So if you're expecting instant results, high conversion right away, you'll get frustrated fast. But still, if you're getting zero sales, something is off. The biggest problem? Wrong traffic. You can have great product, great page, but if the audience isn't interested, no sales. Example, promoting a fitness product to people searching for motivation quotes. Clicks? Yes. Sales? No. Next problem, bad product fit. Not all ClickBank products convert well. Some issues: low quality pages, weak messaging, wrong audience targeting. Choosing the right product matters more than most people think. This is a big one. No pre-selling. If you just send traffic directly to a sales page, without context, people don't feel ready to buy. Your content needs to build interest, create curiosity, warm up the audience. People don't buy from confusion, lack of clarity, no trust. If your content feels generic, rushed, unclear, conversions drop. Even simple improvements in clarity can change everything. Another hidden issue: inconsistency. One video here, another there, then you stop. That kills momentum. Conversions often come after multiple touchpoints, repeated exposure. Here's the fix. 1. Improve targeting. Speak to the right audience. Choose better offers. Look for quality and relevance. Pre-sell properly. Prepare the user before the click. Stay consistent. Give it time to work. So why do some ClickBank campaigns never convert? It's not one thing. It's usually a combination. But once you fix these points, everything starts to improve. If you want to follow a more structured system, instead of guessing what's wrong, there's a step-by-step approach you can check in the description. And if this video helped you, subscribe, because the next ones will go even deeper.